BRIT Awards are back for another year, and if you're looking for a chance to be part of the action, here's what you need to know. Tickets will go on sale this week, and here's how you can get your hands on a pair. Taking place on February 8 this year, the BRIT Awards 2022 with Mastercard will be held at the O2 Arena in London. Get tickets to BRIT Awards 2022, click here. Tickets for the exclusive event are on sale now, and are available from AXS here. Priced from £60, they are quite literally the hottest ticket in town, and a great chance to see some of the biggest names in music. And what is a BRIT Awards without a little controversy, and you'll be there to see it first. Last year saw huge performances from global superstars including Taylor Swift, Elton John, The Weeknd, Coldplay, and Dua Lipa. So far Dave, Doja Cat, Ed Sheeran, Holly Humberstone, Liam Gallagher and Little Sims have been announced as performers. Holly Humberstone has also been announced as the winner of the prestigious Brits Rising Star Awards supported by BBC Radio 1, but if you want to vote for other acts and categories you can do so here. The Brits have also announced that they are working with Blue Light Tickets, where the emergency services are invited to enter a ballot to come to the show, following the gifting of tickets to NHS frontline workers in 2021. Sounds good? You can tickets to the BRIT Awards here. Not your thing? Tickets for Duran Duran's 2022 shows are now available. Legendary pop duo Tears for Fears are also playing a series of concerts next year. And don't miss twinkly-eyed crooner Michael Buble's UK tour either.